Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to count the discount, and here we will use the Microsoft Excel. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, of course, you can prepare the table first, and let's imagine that if you are let's say the administrative or the manager of the fashion store, and for example this is the table about the price list and also discount of the Niagara Falls. And after that, since it's about the discount, then don't forget to put the discount. For example, the today discount is minus 25%, or it means that this price will be reduced with this 20% off discount. So after that, you can also put the unit, and as you can change it to become the name of the unit. You don't need to, or you don't have to put the unit code over here. And don't worry, because you can also change this currency to become your currency, and here I'm using the euro currency. And of course, this table also contains the original price column and also the price after the discount. And don't worry, because here we will use this formula, and let's get practice. The first step I will do is I will put this cursor into the cell of E7, and after that I will type the equal, and I will go to this cell of D7 that contains about the original price, and after that you can give it a plus and open parentheses, and after that click this D7 again and give it the asterisk or multiply, and you can multiply this original price with this discount. For example, this is the minus 25%, and of course don't forget to look it up with the F4 from your keyboard that shows the dollar here, and after that you can simply close it with the parentheses and enter. And this is the price after the discount. As you can see, from the original price is 150 euro, it to become the 112.50 euro. And it's easy, just to click it, give it a double click, and the entire price after the discount is already exists over here. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this formula into your table or your business, and I wish the best for your business also. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And if you have another suggestion about the formula, please also don't forget to put it on a comment, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.